Good morning, Eddie. Good morning. I told Jesse I'm going to take this video of his sneezing. Turn that light on out there. Poor baby. Take the bad sneezes.